Hey guys, it's your girl Shy Wisdom. I'm here to share with you this product that I really love from ANEWOW. It is a mask and head wrap combo. It's matchy matchy because you know how I stay, okay? For the fly girls and the fly boys, whatever. As you can see, I did not do my hair, but it's all good because it's going in the bonnet anyway. The bonnet and the mask are lined with silk. Oh yes, honey, opulence. It's good for the hair, it's good for the skin. The long strap at the back wraps around to make it, look real cute, and not just like a bonnet, okay? So let's see. Oh, right, get it on, exactly. Yeah, yes. Bow, throw it to the back. Oh, we gotta tuck those in, yes. Oh, there's more, hold on, get right. Bring it down to the hairline, protect those edges, baby, because you already know what it is. Now we're gonna grab the straps, we're gonna bring it around, okay, for the wrap, okay, and yeah, so here we go, and bow, exactly. So we're gonna wrap it around, bring it around the back, and wrap it around one more time, okay. Bring it to the front, and now we're gonna twist it at the front. Although you can just tie it, it also looks cute that way too, but I wanted a cute little knot at the front, so I'm just gonna do that. And then you tuck it in the sides. It's very easy, just like that. Like so, like that. Yes, secure, baby. Let's do the other side. Just like that. Yes. Okay. Yes. Living. Come on. Are they mad? Yes. Yes, they are. And it's okay.